Good morning, class. Today is a good day, so let's start. Today I'm going to start talking about unit operations, and the first part is going to be flow transportation. Alex, he took a bathroom break again. It's scared. He got a prostate problem, probably. Okay, so the flow transportation works exactly like the water cycle. So first we get the water from the Romantic River. It goes to the RWF, which is the reclaimed water facility. And the reclaimed water facility, it gets its water from the WPCF, which is the Water Pollution Control Facility. And what the WPCF gets its water from the cup. And about 20 to 60% of the water that goes from the cup to the WPCF is returned back to the RWF. So the cup is really important here, which is a central utility plant. The water that gets cleaned and processed there, it goes to the water towers, which we use for drinking, and it also goes to the buildings, which we use it for laundry and showers and cleaning, and also it goes to the athletic fields to water the plants, so we have a nice looking campus. Okay, second part we're talking about, second part here we're going to talk about heat transfer process, which is a unit operation, and I'm going to talk specifically about the evaporation, which happens in the steam boilers here that we have. So as you can see here, the boilers, the way they work is they take the water in. Here's the water intake is at the bottom, and then it's filled with water. So the heater heats the water, and we have two valves. One which takes the steam out, and the other one which takes the hot water out. And we use the hot water for showering and other uses, and the steam we use it for like the heaters in the rooms, and for electricity. And these wires here, they're just like to measure, the depth of the water and how it works. And as you can see, that the water surface is right here, because at the top the stream is created, and the valve takes it from here. So the last unit of operation I'll talk about is the mass transfer process. But this is a long process, and they already explained in the first part of flow transportation how we get the water and where it's processed and everything. So I'm just going to focus on the distillation process here, which is, distillation is basically purifying liquid by heating or cooling. So we get the dirty water and then we clean it so we can drink it. So the way this works here is that the water, we have this device, I don't have a name for it yet. But anyway, so the water comes in, the water is heated here in this flasks, and the salt remains on the bottom. The water is evaporated into gas, then it goes into the condenser, which turns it back to liquid, and then comes clean and purified water so that we can drink. Okay, the lecture is over here. Thank you guys for coming. Oh, Alex is still not back? What does this kid do? Oh, now I understand. It's probably because of this. These are must be really delicious.